Did you happen to catch the Tommy Fury?
Zero Zippo. I know
no.
nothing other than Tommy Fury won by decision.
Yeah.
That is all I know. And I know that Drake lost a bet.
Yeah.
That was the extent. I didn't see the fight.
It was
I don't think it was
fight.
controversial. Like, most people thought that Tommy won, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I believe so. And the judging was, I feel like it's a bit off. I feel like it was a closer fight, but, you know. What?
Hard 7, soft 7 is so stupid. Sorry, man, it's so stupid.
I had to put it out there.
Oh, my God, dude. How dare you? Drake loses a Bitcoin bet for $400K on Jake Paul, better known as Drake, on Sunday in Dirty Loss. I don't think he's too worried about it. I'm just going to guess. No. Drake posted a screenshot of his bet on the Jake Paul versus Tommy Fury fight on Instagram. He wagered a whopping $400,000 worth of Bitcoin to win by knockout for a potential payout of $1.44 million worth of Bitcoin. He's always gambling the Bitcoin. I think it gets around some sort of regulatory thing that we can advertise it or something. It was a close fight, but Fury emerged victorious, defeating Paul in a hard-fought 8-round battle. And it is not the first time Drake made a Bitcoin bet. He won $1.26 million worth of Bitcoin after the Kansas City Chiefs won Super Bowl. So there you go. He's still, I mean, if you just combine those two bets, he's still ahead. Yeah. Bitcoin gambling, I don't know. We've had people reach out to us about it, trying to advertise it, like Bitcoin casinos and stuff. Something seems a little bit, listen, I'm skeptical. Let's say that about that, because I'm sure there's ways to do it and people love the crypto and maybe one day it'll all be sorted out. But you also have to think that it's only a matter of time before similar regulatory bodies come and take a look at all that, I would guess.
It's a matter of time.
Well, you're still gambling, right?
Yeah.
And one of the things YouTube has taken a hard stance on in the past has been gambling. Paid attention to when, like, different creators and stuff had dabbled in it. And listen, even gambling, I'm not talking about necessarily gambling targeting young people, but I'm talking even if that's not the case. Just gambling in general. It's a different kind of tier. Mm-hmm. And so I guess it's something to be careful about. But he's mostly posting from Stake, right? The company Stake. Uh-huh. Isn't that I don't know if he's a partner or like what the whole deal is. But I'm always kind of curious about it because it's like, yeah, you bet the $400K. Yes, you may win $1 million or whatever, but it also gets a bunch of stories about it. And then people start to look into crypto betting, and then his screenshot will often, just go to his Instagram and let's see if we can actually bring up the screenshot. The screenshot will promote the thing, which you assume he's got some benefit to promote. And then all of a sudden the margins are all different. You're like, did he really lose? Because how many users signed up to the thing? And he posted in highlights over here.
I don't think so. Maybe he deleted it.
Well, no, I mean, the first one was fine. This showcases what I'm talking about. Okay. This is Bitcoin. So here's a separate from a UFC event that he highlighted. Threw it in his highlights 31 weeks ago. Needed this win at Stake. And Stake is based in like the Caribbean or something. And then sometimes he's like in the actual Caribbean using it. It's
dicey.
I don't know. I mean, you tell me. Like, everybody tell me what you think about it. Is it run-of-the-mill stuff, or are you, like, how do you think? And by the way, it's his top link on his Instagram account, which has 132 million followers. As far as his partners, it's Stake, Official Nocta, Welcome OVO, Better World Fragrance House, and Drake Related. Those are the things he's linking in his bio. And so click on Stake. Let's see how big they've gotten. 500K followers, world's leading betting platform, official co-title partner, Alfa Romeo Stake, unavailable in the US, UK, Australia. So it's unavailable in those places. Obviously, Drake is based in Canada. And it's still, you know what? Maybe I should just try it out.
Oh, this is the
There's the bet. Yeah. Maybe I should try steak and give you a report back and see what the hell's going on.
Okay.
Like, I'm not trying to wager about or make a bunch or like win anything. I just want to see how the whole interface works, how I'm making deposits, which wallets I'm sending cash. Plus, I haven't goofed in crypto in ages. But
yeah, mine as well.
Let me go take a look at it. Somebody here says Stake is actually based in the old FTX offices.
Oh, okay. Wow.
That was a joke, Will.
Oh, is it? No. Yeah. All right, last one.
Somebody says, do not. Please, no, don't do it. I'm not, by the way, I'm not suggesting I'm going to promote it. I'm going to say that I'm just going to like look into the experience and see what's going on.
Are you going to be talking about it?
I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know if I'm ever going to get around to this. I got sinks that are clogged right now.
Yeah. Maybe fix those first.
Ah, man. I'm not promoting it. People yelling at me over here, and I'm not promoting it.